Hi there and welcome to the personal property tour for 18 Pentland View in Kennoway. This lovely 3-bedroom detached property tucked away in a quiet corner of Kennoway really is the ideal family home. Large open plan lounge kitchen, integrated garage and a large rear garden. It really is one to be seen to be appreciated. So if this is the property for you, click the link below, message me directly. Now let's have a look around and see what this property has to offer. So starting at the front of the property, nice large double driveway and you've got your integrated garage. Pathway just down to the right hand side of the property heads into the rear garden, which we'll see later in the video. We'll head inside and have a tour of what this property has to offer. Got your lovely plaque on the wall there, an exterior light for those lighter nights, thankfully coming to an end fairly soon. So through the timber door, greeted by a lovely entrance hallway or porch area. You've got the external brickwork there, really nice feature, as well as area for your boots and jackets. Before heading into the property, take your shoes off and keep the property nice and clean. So heading through into the initial hallway, get a little sneak peek of the living room, which we will see later in the video. So nice and light for this style of property and plenty of space, as you will see in a minute. We'll head upstairs, have a look at the bedrooms. As mentioned, 3-bedroom, 1 bathroom, plenty of storage and lots of natural light running through with the surrounding windows. So view of the hallway, when you've got your attic space up above. So heading into the bathroom first, lovely vanity area with your storage below, tiled shower surround, you've got a full-size bath, an overhead rainfall shower, nice thermostatic shower there. Really good condition. So heading through to the first bedroom. So this would technically be classified as the 2nd bedroom. Plenty of space here, as you can see. Extra large, pretty sure that's a super king bed that we've got in here at the moment, and plenty of space. And you have a tall boy, etc. here for storage and views out to the rear garden. Large rear garden, you've got that lovely decking area that we'll see later in the video. Great for those summer months. As you can see, the sun just coming around to catch that garden, which it will later in the day. So heading through to the master bedroom now. Again, just take a second. Lots of space. And into what would be the master bedroom. Downlights throughout the master and the sun beaming through that front window. So plenty of space. And fitted wardrobes. So lots of space for storage and plenty of floor space left over. So a really good size master bedroom overlooking the front of the property. And we'll head through into the 3rd bedroom. So 3rd bedroom, you can see here, single bed at the moment, but probably enough room for a double if you did so wish. And there is storage just off to one side, as you can see there. So again, as mentioned, attic overhead for extra storage space, but plenty of space in the 3 bedrooms up the stairs. So we'll head back down the stairs, go to the living room, an open plan kitchen diner. Property does also benefit from a utility room, which is a great feature for extra storage, which you'll see. So a large living room space. We've got a huge sofa in here at the moment. And as you can see, still plenty of space for coffee table, media wall, etc. Nice property with it being open plan through to your dining room area, patio doors out to the rear. We've got the kitchen just off to the right hand side. Just giving you another glimpse of the living room space and views out to the front garden. Really nice space. So a large open plan dining room. We've got dining table, with chairs at the moment. And the patio doors taking us out to the rear garden. And a nice open plan kitchen area. Gas hob, plenty of storage, low level. You've got your oven over here again, further storage and additional worktop space. which is absolutely brilliant. Storage pantry just off to the right hand side. And the utility room, your rear door just going out to the garden, which we'll see from the outside in just a minute. But again, lots more storage space, room for your fridge, freezer, washer, dishwasher, washing machine, dryer, and an additional sink. Perfect if you do have any pets, etc. An additional worktop space, should I say. Lots of storage, which is great for a kitchen of this size. Really, really nice. And views out to the rear garden as well. So we'll head out the patio doors, sliding patio doors to the rear area. And again, the sunlight just trying to catch the garden there. And as we get later in the day, the sun will come round and pick up the rear garden. So a nice large area, mainly laid to lawn. Not directly overlooked from the rear, with that being a bungalow, which is a great feature. So the rear fence, or should I say rear gate, heading to the front of the property, as we mentioned earlier in the video, out to your garage and your driveway. Shed for storage. You've got exterior plugs and your rear door from the utility room just here. We'll head up just over the grass. Previous owner set up a nice little campfire for sitting in those summer months, maybe a bit too cold at the moment. In this lovely decking area running through, giving you space to unwind, barbecue, and then a view back to the rear of the property, as you can see there. So a large plot, plenty of opportunity to add value and make this the ideal family home. So that concludes the personal property tour for 18 Pentland View in Kennoway. Now this property really is one to be appreciated, and plenty of opportunity to add value. Tucked away in a quiet corner of Kennoway, really quiet cul-de-sac. We've got the end of the street just that you can see over my shoulder there. And again, the entrance to Pentland View just over my shoulder there. So safe, plenty of space for kids entertaining, and as mentioned, opportunity to add value. Surrounded by local amenities, Kennoway Primary School just a short walk away, and 2 minutes down to Cameron Bridge train station, making this the ideal commuter location. So as always, if this is the property for you, click the link below, message me directly, and we can't wait to hear from you. Craig at Fife Properties TV, take care.